We brought in Carnegie Learning in the summer of 2021 as a pilot for our summer school. Carnegie sold itself. They had the blended learning model, was pretty user-friendly, so teachers were able to take the materials and start working with them. It felt like everything was all in one place, and teachers wanted that. It's like that's what teachers were looking for.
When they really got the full effect of everything that's in the teacher edition, all the pacing guides, all the planning implementations, there's so many materials and there's so many supplements out there for them through Carnegie, they're able to pick and choose and find the best parts for them, for their students.
The support that we invested in made teachers feel very confident, and that helped them when they were implementing the curriculum, and it helped them with instructional delivery. And the partnership that we now have with Carnegie is phenomenal. Our teachers are very confident, taking risks and being vulnerable, saying, I don't understand this, help me. And when our Carnegie rep comes out, she's responsive and they feel safe, and it's just truly a good partnership.
So with Carnegie Learning, you walk into a classroom and you see students creating their own goals. You see students leading their stations. You have other students who they're playing games, but little do they know they're actually learning a lot of things that need to get done. But you'd be amazed when you walk in and you actually see the students leading the classroom instruction.
Such a student-center-led classroom. You can see how they are making growth. I mean, it's everything that it needs to be.
From principal to principal, district leaders to district leaders, implementing in Carnegie Learning is so well worth the investment. You're going to spend money on different resources, you're going to spend money on different programs, but Carnegie Learning is a program to spend on.